God-ordained event. God has a good purpose for every one of us. As mentioned already, you paid, you took time to be here. At talaga naman, ang mga preparation nito, grabe. Plus yung mga mali-maletang
Pera? Pera ba yan?
mga costumes. My gold, my silver, my black, and now your tuxedos. Palakpakan niyo naman ang bawat isa.
Mami, Bishay, Mami, bago ang lahat. Gusto ko. Malaman muna. Papasalamat ako sa iyo. Lahat ng mga hirap, sakit, at lahat ng mga saya. Tumula noon.
Understand your sweet words.
My partner in life and my forever.
State the name of your wife.
Monica,
Before God and His witnesses, grace renewed, commitment to you. A circle of love
circle of love,
made whole
made whole
by God's forgiveness.
by God's forgiveness.
Amen.
Amen.
So po ninyo sa inyong wife. And this time, the wife. Repeat after me. This ring
This ring
is a visible sign
is a visible sign
of my invisible grace-renewed commitment
of my invisible grace
to you.
to you.
A circle of love
As a circle of love
made whole
made whole
by God's love and forgiveness.
God's goodness.
Amen.
Amen.
Now, we have provided marriage certificates. Right? This is what you can do. Ipirmahan po ninyo yung marriage certificate. We're not providing frames. Okay?
Ay,
Ganito
video pala.
po ang sinasabi dyan. Who is our constant source of strength, inspiration, love, and devotion. We, as husband and wife, solemnly renew our vows to each other. Husband, repeat after me.
I, Pedro P. Season III,
Do solemnly
Do
read
so-
it together.
do solemnly
recommit before
for
God
God
and man
man
to unconditionally love
to
you
you,
to the best of my ability, honor and respect you. I vow to consistently provide for your needs, to be the spiritual leader of our home, and set a godly example for you and our children. By God's grace, I commit to remain faithful and never forsake you through joy and sorrow, in good times and in bad times, for richer and poorer, in sickness and in health, till death do us part. Wives, basahin niyo naman yan.
I, Monica Risa J. solemnly record before God and unconditionally love and respect you, and to submit you as my spiritual leader. I commit to be a godly wife to you and a godly mother of children. By God's grace, I promise to continue sharing my life with you in all faithfulness and gentleness, through joy and sorrow, in good times and in bad times, in abundance and lack, in well-being and poor health, until death do us part.
You peace. Go in the grace and strength of Christ to live out this renewed covenant. Amen and amen. You may kiss your bride. Your wife.
Naiya ako.
Teka, parang nagmadali naman kayo sa akin. Hindi po nakuha. Okay? This time, 11 seconds. You may kiss the bride.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Sabi daw.
7, 8, 9,
Amen. Palakpakan natin pala. Stay on the stage and you will be serenaded by our guests.
Effortlessly elegant, coordinated, and absolutely head-turning throughout the retreat. This award goes to the couple who proved that love and passion are best when perfectly. You didn't just show up, you arrived. And the couple glam award goes to
Mayor Cohen, Mr. and Mrs. Espinelli.
Sir Joel and Ate Chi Espinelli.
Okay, Seal Love Couples Cruise Costa Serena Cruise Glam Couple Award presented in recognition for their exceptional elegance.